Welcome to the Babelian Money Show. After 6 years of living as a minimalist, I've learned some profound lessons that have reshaped my life. It's not about owning nothing. It's about owning what matters. Today, I'm sharing the 7 biggest lessons from my journey. Lesson 1. Minimalism is about intention. It's not about getting rid of things, but making room for more of what matters, like time, passion, and experiences. Lesson 2. Simplify the key areas. I focused on 4. Minimizing my possessions, simplifying my diet, managing my time with purpose, and taking control of my finances. Lesson 3. Value experiences, not things. By spending less on stuff, I freed up resources for travel and creating memories that last a lifetime. Lesson 4. Less stuff means less stress. A decluttered space leads to a decluttered mind, giving you more clarity and peace. Lesson 5. It's a journey of self-reflection. Minimalism forces you to ask what you truly need and value, leading to a more authentic life. Lesson 6. Start small. You don't have to sell everything overnight. Begin with a small area, like your closet or a single drawer. Tiny steps lead to big changes. Lesson 7. It's a continuous practice. Minimalism isn't a finish line you cross. A quick disclaimer. The advice shared in this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. If this tip just helped you understand minimalism better than the gurus, subscribe now so you don't miss next week's breakdown on making money online.